Hi and welcome to this interactive brokers tutorial in which we're going to show you how to configure your hotkeys in the Trader Workstation. Hotkeys are a quick and efficient way to navigate and execute trades within the software. Let's get started. First, we'll need to access the hotkey settings. To do this, click on the File menu at the top of the screen and select Global Configuration. We enter now the configuration screen and we go to the Charts settings and Chart Trader, and there we find hotkeys. On top of the screen you see a window with the possible hotkeys you can enter. You can create orders, you can modify orders. The different order types you can create find in this list. Below, you'll find the window with the configured shortcuts. So these are in fact the shortkeys that we already made that are currently active. As you see below, you see a number of hotkeys, control and a number. These are the hotkeys I always use, and depending on the number, I use a different share size and different settings concerning to the stop loss and take profit distance. So let me show you what my Control 1 hotkey does. When I click Control 1, my cursor becomes a special dot. You see a blue line coming up. I click and you see immediately appearing a buy order, a stop loss order, and a take profit order. Currently, these orders are not active yet since I still need to transmit them. If I click on the T, then the orders are active. And if the market would be open, and if the price of the stock would raise above 3.54, then my buy order would be executed and the stocks would be bought. Now, how do we make such a hotkey? Well, let me cancel this order. First, we go to the hotkeys screen. Click Ctrl H. Another time, Ctrl H. Now you are in the hotkeys panel. You see here the Control 1. Let me delete this one first, and then we can make this hotkey together again. So now it's gone. Let's click Apply. So what do we want to do? We want to make a buy order. We click Buy and we do Create Shortcuts. First of all, we want to record the fact that the hotkey is Control 1. So now we click Control 1 and it appears in the window that the hotkey is Control 1. Now we want to customize our order. We want to buy the stock. We want to buy a share size of 500. The order type we choose for stop limit, so the order will be triggered when it reaches a price and the order will be executed with a limit price. To have more information on the order types, we refer to another video of Trooper Trading. So what price will we choose? We prefer to go for the chart trader price, then we can point the price on the chart. You can also go for bid and ask. We select 0% and the stop limit price, well, it's also based on the chart trader price, but it is 0.75% more than what we select. We want to use a bracket order, so we want to use a take profit order and a stop loss order to cover ourselves. So we go for a limit order as a take profit, also based on that same chart trader price, and we go for a profit of, for example, 5%. As a stop loss, we select stop limit, also of course based on the chart trader price, and we go for -1.5%, and we choose here -2.5. You can also select transmit the order instantaneously. In that case, the order will be active immediately after you have hit your hotkey. We don't want to do that, so we just leave that checkbox open and click OK. Now the hotkey is added. We click Apply, OK, and now the hotkey is active. So what happens if I click Control 1? You see my cursor has changed to a dot with the line, And here you see my buy order is 3.54, my sell order 3.48 in case of going down, and 3.72 is my take profit. Now you can easily adapt manually your take profit. For example, I lower my take profit to 3.69 and I lower my stop loss just below the 3.45. And please be aware that your order is not yet active now. If you click transmit, then your order will be executed. If the price would rise now above 3.54, then your order is executed. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to check the other tutorials and good luck trading. Bye.